assistants are becoming a powerful way to manage WordPress websites. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or Cursor, you can now create content, upload media, organize your website, and perform many other WordPress tasks simply by chatting with AI. But if you're looking for a tool to connect AI with your WordPress site, you'll quickly notice there are different approaches. Today, we're comparing Easy MCP AI with WPVibe. Both allow AI assistants to manage your WordPress website using MCP, but they take very different approaches behind the scene. The biggest question isn't what they can do, because they both accomplish many of the same tasks. The real question is, where do your AI requests actually go? In this video, we'll compare both solutions honestly, walk through a live demonstration of Easy MCP AI, discuss where it stands out, and also cover the situations where WPVibe may be a better choice. At first glance, Easy MCP AI and WPVibe seem very similar. Both let AI assistants interact with your WordPress website through the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The key difference is how those requests reach your site. With WPVibe, requests are routed through WPVibe's hosted cloud service before reaching your WordPress installation, and with Easy MCP AI, everything runs directly on your own WordPress server. The AI assistant communicates with your site through the plugin itself, so there isn't an intermediary cloud service processing those requests. Neither approach is inherently right or wrong. They're simply designed for different priorities. If you value a hosted option, WPVibe offers that convenience. If you prefer a self-hosted solution that keeps communication directly between your AI assistant and your own server without a daily limit, that's where Easy MCP AI takes a different approach. Now let's see how Easy MCP AI works in a real-world example. I'll start by connecting my AI assistant to the WordPress website using OAuth authentication. Instead of sharing credentials with a third-party service, I'll simply authorize the connection through the consent screen. Once access is approved, the AI can securely communicate with my WordPress site. With the connection established, let's ask AI to create a new WordPress post. Next, I'll update that post by modifying its content. I'll upload an image to the media library, and finally, I'll organize the content by assigning categories and tags. These are everyday WordPress management tasks, but instead of navigating through the multiple dashboard pages, everything is completed through a natural conversation with the AI assistant. Now let's switch back to the WordPress dashboard, and here we can see the newly created post, the updated content, and the uploaded media, as well as assigned categories and tags. I'll also open the Audit Log so we can review the recorded activity. Every action performed during the session is logged, making it easy to see exactly what changed. The important point is that throughout the entire workflow, every request was handled directly by my own WordPress server running Easy MCP AI. There was no intermediary cloud service processing these WordPress actions. So why might someone choose Easy MCP AI over hosted alternative? The biggest advantage is that everything runs on your own WordPress server. Easy MCP AI is pure PHP plugin, so the communication stays within your own environment instead of being routed through the third-party cloud service. For agencies, businesses handling sensitive projects, or anyone with strict privacy or compliance requirements, this level of control can be an important consideration. Another major benefit is pricing. Easy MCP AI is completely free to use with no daily action limits. Security is also approached differently. Easy MCP AI uses OAuth 2.1 authentication with dynamic client registration and secure access tokens. You also stay in control of your own environment. Features such as audit logs, rate limits, disabled tools, and retention settings are all managed on your own installation. finally, Easy MCP AI offers more than 215 available tools support for the WordPress Abilities API and integrations with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and data for SEO. Of course, no tool is perfect, and it's important to be transparent about where WPVibe currently offers additional functionality. If you're looking for features like WPCLI command execution, a safe code snippet runner through WooCode, a built-in tailwind theme builder, or direct access to Unsplash stock photos, WPVibe includes several capabilities. But Easy MCP AI takes a different approach by focusing on self-hosted architecture. That means you take care of the initial setup, but in return your WordPress site remains under your own control. For most day-to-day WordPress tasks, such as creating and editing content, managing media, organizing taxonomies, and working with AI through MCP, Easy MCP AI provides everything many users need. However, if your workflow specifically depends on WPCLI, code execution, or built-in theme generation, WPVibe currently has those features available. So, which solution should you choose? The answer depends on what matters most for your workflow. Easy MCP AI is a strong choice if you want full control over your WordPress environment, prefer a self-hosted solution, want to avoid subscription costs, and need a tool without daily usage limitations. On the other hand, WPVibe may be a better option if you prefer a hosted service and need some of the additional features it currently provides, such as WPCLI commands, code executions, or theme building tools. Both solutions help connect AI assistants with WordPress. The difference is the approach. Easy MCP AI focuses on ownership, control, and self-hosting, while WPVibe focuses on ready-to-use hosted experience. At the end, both Easy MCP AI and WPVibe solve the same problems, connecting AI assistants with WordPress websites. The primary difference comes down to where that connection happens. WPVibe provides a convenient hosted approach, while Easy MCP AI gives you a self-hosted experience where AI communicates directly with your own WordPress server. If keeping control of your data, avoiding subscription costs, and having no daily usage limits are your priorities, Easy MCP AI offers a powerful alternative. With no cloud dependency, no usage caps, and no subscription required, Easy MCP AI brings AI-powered WordPress management directly to your own server. You can learn more and try Easy MCP AI today. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you better understand the difference between Easy MCP AI and WPVibe.